Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're talking about the half roll back here on the mat. It's a pre-Pilates exercise. So I say it's a pre-Pilates exercise, but I don't mean like you have to do it to be able to do Pilates. That's not true. But it is something that's really great if doing more of the ideal versions of an exercise are not possible for you, right? Because sometimes you're just tight one day, or the thought of being able to do the full roll up is just not possible, or even a teaser. I think it's really important that no matter where you are in your Pilates practice, you could do a whole class, even if you have to substitute some exercises to make it more your body style, because Pilates meets you where you are, which is really, really great. So you have your feet and knees together. You don't want to have a 90-degree angle. You want to have more of like a 60-degree angle, okay? So you then want to set up that your tailbone's slightly underneath you, right? And then your arms come out here, or they can come here and hold behind your back. So if you're newer, hold behind your back, hold behind your thighs, and you'll go towards where you can keep your feet down and your arms get to straight, and then you pull your center back to come up. Now, I don't want you to sink and roll because nothing's going to work. So you're tall, you pull your center back, you actually have the same length in your spine you did before, it's just rounded, and then you come back up. And to make it harder, you'll take your arms in front of you so you have no help, and you come back up. And at the point that you can actually go almost all the way down and then come all the way up without your feet moving, that's a good sign that you should be doing the full straight leg version. Even if you get stuck here, that's okay, right? And this exercise is more enhanced if you're doing the elbow slip before it, to kind of learn what your center is, what the shape is, how much to work the back of your legs. But if you're doing any of my online Pilates classes, you'll learn this in the Intro to Pilates course. And if you are taking the weekly classes, anytime there's an exercise that's like too advanced for you and it's a flexion exercise, you'll just do this. And I promise you, if you're really working it, if you're working those legs together, if you're keeping your feet down, if you're filling your center, in weeks, maybe even days of practice, depends on how much you hit your mat, you will actually notice that you can easily get into the roll up and rolling like a ball and open leg rocker, because it's all the same spine shape. If you have any questions about this, please put them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video from me. And I will see you hopefully on your mat on onlinepilatesclasses.com's weekly classes. Thank you so much for watching.